Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, please subscribe to my channel. I try to reach 50,000 subscribers. I often create overviews of some cool apps and software. So let's dive into it. So here is this app which is called Point. It's a new debit card, quite popular. And there are a lot of cards and apps like that. You can mention like Revolut, or I don't know, Pleo, for businesses and stuff like that. There are many of them in each country, but yeah, this is one of the top ones. And every card like that has its perks. Some cards are better for travel. Some cards just have better points on subscriptions or some cashbacks and stuff like that. So let's try to install Point app. So this is the app for this card. So the size is 145 megabytes. And yeah, so the overview here is that Point card gives you unlimited cashback on every purchase and includes some benefits like insurance for your phone, new purchases, trip cancellations, car rentals. You can read more here, and then you can just go to member support help at point.app. So let's just try to open it up. And this is how it looks like. So yeah, you can just start with getting Point card. So it's $49 per year. And then you can just see all these benefits here. Yeah. Then there are different editions. There's virtual card. And then you can just order, select your edition, add a promo code, and then just create your account. So just enter your phone number, get SMS, and continue with the process. But this was just a quick preview of the app, how it looks like. And then in top left, here you can just sign in if you're already a customer. Again, just sign in with your phone number and stuff. So that's how it works. Yeah, quick preview. If you like this preview, I'll create a full video overview of the Point card, of the account and stuff, and hope it will be helpful.